This is for business coaches who don't know where to begin in terms of building workshops, agendas, sessions, programs, that kind of thing, okay? Have no fear. We've done it all for you, all right? So if you need a leadership program, we've written an 8-module one, it's CPD accredited. If you need a program for sales teams or motivation, we've got Thinking Big, it's 4 modules. You'll love it. If you need something from micro businesses, we've got the Cresco program. It's a 6-module program for teeny tiny businesses with not a lot of cash. You get 10 of them in a room. We've got that for you. If you need great team development, we've got that program you can deliver. If you need strategic thinking made easy, we've got that program we deliver. If you need something that helps sort out somebody's revenue cycle, their employee engagement, their performance management, we've got it nailed. We've got everything in the Kick-Ass Culture Coach and Consultant program. So don't sit there chewing your fingernails wondering how you're going to create the content. We've got it. Come and talk to us. We'll share it with you.